Hey guys, we are back with our next episode of DIY holiday decor, our 12 Days of Christmas series. And just before we get started, remind you to subscribe, and that way we can catch you in the next video. And you can check out our website or learn more about buying your own set of candles in the links below. And otherwise, let's go ahead and get started with this. First off, I have the, it's not a wreath, it is a garland here. It's a green garland with pine cones, and I have balls here. These are Christmas balls. I just took the extra piece that attaches to the tree off. The next thing I have here are a small and large stand. This was created by using E6000 to glue two Dollar Tree candles holders together, and then obviously this is one Dollar Tree candle holder. And the third one is something I actually picked up at a thrift store haul. These are not that difficult to find, though. Craft stores, you might be able to find them at Walmart or Target, that sort of thing. But basically what you're looking for is 3 different heights to put under your candle holders. And these are my candle holders. They're hurricane vases. So I have this one, and I put a package of Dollar Tree sand in the bottom, and then I have the second one here, again, package of Dollar Tree sand in the bottom, and the third one with a package of Dollar Tree sand. These are slightly different styles, but they're close enough. And then I have my Flameless candle trio. And I have the tray here is actually from IKEA. So the tray was something like $11. So first thing I'm going to do is take this garland and place it inside of the tray. And then I'm going to kind of squash it down so it's not sticking up too much. Poke around a bit. These pine cones need to kind of face up and out. So, next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and put the stands inside. Adjust them in a minute. And I'm going to put this one here. For this project, I didn't glue these down. You can if you want to. And me too for the video. Alright, so now we have 3 different levels, and what I'm actually going to do is go ahead and swap these around because I want a little bit more separation. There we go. So we've got 3 different levels going on here, and then I'm going to take the balls, just settle them and then I'm going to go ahead and light up my candles. And there we go. We have a centerpiece for the coffee table here. So I like the way this turned out, and I will go ahead and post a link below to the Pinterest inspiration for this. Here we go with the lights down in a moment. Give you an idea what it looks like that way. Alright, so there's the darkened version. This could be a coffee table, a countertop, kitchen island, even a mantel if you have a wide enough mantel. So some different ideas to do with this. This is a Christmas style, though kind of a little bit more beachy or lighter colors than traditional Christmas colors, but I thought it looked very clean. So thank you very much for watching. I hope your holiday season is going fantastic. We look forward to seeing you in the next video, and